What's up, everyone? Welcome to Pick and Roll Math. I'm Carlos,
I'm Jonas.
and today we're going to be talking about finding the inverses of exponential functions.
Let's go. So Carlos, what is step one of finding the inverse of an exponential function?
Okay, so step one. Of course, we have the example problem here.
Yes.
To find the inverse of the function, we have to replace the f of x with y. So as you can see here, f of x became y, and that is equaling for x.
How do you do step two, Carlos?
All right, step two. Simplest part here. Switch the x and the y.
As you can see,
That's like a layup right there.
right there. Boom.
That's a layup. So right here, Jonas, I'll let you explain.
All you do, pretty much, is simple. X and Y switch. So you come here, this comes to X, become this thing becomes a Y. All you do is swap it around. That's
So
it.
x equals 4y.
Step three.
Step 3. So this is where we start adding the log in. So we have step 3. Solve for y by taking the log 4 right here, log 4,
Okay.
log 4, on both sides. So we have log 4 here times the x, and then log 4 here times the 4y. So that's simple, and then you'll see how this all comes into play.
On step-
Like a free throw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for step four, I hear there's two ways you can solve it.
Oh,
So would you like to explain
ways.
these two ways?
is that like a Euro step?
Huss.
All right, let's get into it. Okay, so this one, there's a little more to it, but I think it's pretty simple. There's two ways of going about it. The way our teacher explained it, I think, was very helpful when simplifying it.
It was.
So step 4, simplify using log properties. It's a pretty ambiguous, question.
Yeah.
Step. So we're gonna break it down. So we have log 4. This is gonna be the answer. Log 4 times x equals y. That is the answer. But how do we get to the log 4 equaling x? Getting rid of this here.
Yep.
So this is what we're dealing with. Instead of having the y here, we're having an x
Mhm.
when it's brought down. So we have log 4 and 4. Because the base is 4 and we have the 4 here, the x is moving, this would be 4 to the power 4, which just simplifies to 1. So as you can see, we just have x log 4, power of 4, x times 1. Therefore, we have log 4 times x equals y.
You know what I said, Carlos?
What?
Barbecue chicken.
Oh,
But Carlos, this is kind of boring though. Like, I feel like I need a little more. What
we
are
do
you
need a little
thinking?
more. You know what I say? Let's take it to the court.
Woo! Love. Hey.